These are dominoes. You will notice that each domino has two sides. We see dots on the sides. These dots are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to create equations that include an unknown. So in this activity, I'm going to create an equation with an unknown and share it with my partner to solve. And then my partner is also going to do that. So I'm going to take this domino in which I have a 1 and a 4. Now I need to make an equation and include an unknown somewhere. So what I want to do is start with the unknown. So I'm going to choose y as my unknown, and I'm going to subtract the 1, and that's going to equal the 4. I can give it to my partner, and my partner says, well, I know that 5 subtract 1 equals 4, so that means y is a 5. So now it's my partner's turn, and my partner is going to take the domino with the 3 and the 6. And my partner wants to create a multiplication equation. So they will start with the 3, multiply the unknown, and they're going to get 6 as the product. Well, I know that 3 times 2 equals 6, so that means n needs to equal 2. Now we can also do the activity with preservation of equality cards. So here's one here that I have cut out, and it's times s equals So I'm going to have to be very strategic in what I choose because one of my numbers needs to be a multiple of the other. Oh, well, I just worked with 3 and 6. So I can choose that. So I could do 3 times s equals 6. So 3 times 2 equals 6. That means that my unknown s is 2. Here's another one. Equals m subtract I'm going to choose this domino. I think this one will work. So here I have 9. And here I have 6. So 9 equals m subtract 6. So let's see. M subtract 6 has got to equal 9. Well, 6 plus 9 is 15, so m has to be 15. So here's one way in which we can use the dominoes to help us create equations and solve them, and they include an unknown.